Welcome to the CA Performance Management video Basic UI Features. CA Performance Center, the user interface component of CA Performance Management, has many robust features designed to effectively monitor your infrastructure within your organization. This video highlights several of the key features of the UI interface, such as grouping, dashboard and context pages, inventory, global search, and user roles. First, let's have a look at grouping. Groups determine the data that you see in dashboards. Groups are organized into a hierarchical tree structure. The groups tree helps you define policies and dependencies among services, devices, applications, locations, and users within your organization. These relationships enable you to define groups which collect devices into sets. These groups are then used to set the context of dashboards, which limit their data to only those devices contained in the group. Next, let's discuss dashboard and context pages. Dashboard and context pages let you view and interpret collected data and are comprised of views which present a discrete set of collected data. Dashboards display data from a group of devices or components, while context pages focus on an individual item. Dashboard pages provide high-level information such as server device health and network device health. Dashboards offer broad scope and are thus ideal to identify problems. They often provide links which allow a drill-down workflow to context pages. Context pages provide focused performance data that is scoped to a specific item, such as a single router as shown here. They provide detailed information about the item which can isolate a problem identified at the dashboard level. Tabs allow organization of the context page information into several type-specific categories. In addition to the out-of-the-box dashboard and context pages, CA Performance Management features the ability to create customized versions containing desired sets of views and layouts. Next, let's review inventory pages. Inventory pages show lists of managed items from data sources. It's a central repository that contains all items accessible by the user. The inventory menu shows only categories of items currently available to the product from the registered data sources. Inventory lists provide information to identify each item, such as device host names or IP addresses. You can sort by a column by clicking on the column header or by selecting the gear settings. You can also drill down the context page of an individual item for more details. An often used feature of CA Performance Center is the global search capabilities. Global search uses the search field near the upper right of any page. Global search scans all user-accessible items in the inventory across all data sources. Here, we're searching on a substring of a router name. The global search returns items in the inventory that match your search, scoped by permission, and sorted by item name. You can drill down into the context page for this router by clicking on the router name. Finally, let's discuss user roles. CA Performance Center includes a set of predefined roles as shown here and two factory-supplied user accounts called admin and user. Roles grant a set of role rights which allows the user to perform administrative functions such as creating dashboards or emailing reports. Roles also define which dashboard menus the user may examine. Roles let users access data and product features required to perform their job duties while restricting access to the data and features they do not require. By encapsulating product rights and menu access, roles function as templates that can be easily applied to multiple users with similar job descriptions. Roles are assigned when editing or creating a user. As you can see here, this user is assigned the IT operator role. If the predefined user role does not fit your requirements, CA Performance Management features the ability to create custom roles. For more information about CA Performance Management's basic UI features, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to the product documentation, visit CA communities, or see the learning path.